Hello, my name is Ariel Warshawski, and I will be leading the two-day seminar from April 26th to 27th for nutritional counselors and therapists looking to better understand the sociocultural backgrounds of their patients in English. The two-day program will consist of 4 sessions and will incorporate multimedia and participant-centered activities in reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English. During the activities, participants will optimally express their expertise in a patient-centered approach in English. This workshop is ideal for English learners at a B1 or a B2 level of English. So ideally, you've had English experience either in secondary school or at university. This will enhance the overall experience and outcome. After the two-day seminar, you will gain valuable content to use during the sessions and perspective and experience incorporating flexible mindsets when communicating in English with individuals of sociocultural backgrounds that are diverse. Please join me by registering and experience personalized feedback, motivation, and a new perspective in English when you apply your skills and connect with individuals in your fields of expertise. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.